Making berry scones from the complete baking book for young chefs by America's Test Kitchen. Get all ingredients ready beforehand. Measure 200 grams of all-purpose flour and pour it in the food processor. Prepare 85 grams of chilled butter cut into pieces. Add the butter to the flour. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and half teaspoon salt. Lock the food processor lid in place and pulse at 1 second each for 8 times. The mixture will look like crumbs. That's perfect. Pour it into a large bowl. Next, in a small bowl, crack 1 large egg over an egg separator. We only need the egg yolk for this recipe. Place the egg yolk in a medium bowl. Then measure 100 ml of milk and pour it into the bowl. Whisk the egg yolk and milk until well combined. Add the milk mixture to the flour mixture. Then use a rubber spatula to stir until just combined into a shaggy dough. Do not overmix. Using the bowl for the milk mixture, combine 120 grams of frozen mixed berries with 1 tablespoon of icing sugar. Stir to coat the berries evenly. Then add the berries to the dough. Stir gently to combine. Again, make sure you don't overmix. Sprinkle some flour on a clean counter. Coat your hands with flour. Transfer the dough to the floured counter. Gather and press the dough together quickly. Then pass it into a circle that's about 2 centimeters thick. Use a bench scraper to cut the circle into 8 wedges. Then use a spatula to transfer the scones to a parchment-lined baking tray. Place the baking tray in the oven that's been preheated to 220 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 15 minutes until the scones are golden brown on top. Use oven mitts to remove the baking tray from the oven or get an adult to help you. Let the scones cool on the baking tray for 15 minutes. Then transfer to a cooling rack for another 30 minutes before serving. Scones are best when they're served at room temperature.